Hey everyone, this is Isaac. Welcome back to another CapCut tutorial. In this video, I'm going to teach you everything you need to know about pixelating parts of your videos. Let's get started. As you can see, here I have a video of this woman. Let's say I want to censor her face. Head over to the Effects tab and in Effects, search for Mosaic. Now click on this effect with the woman with an orange background. Click on the plus and by holding the edges, stretch it out to fill the whole video. On the right, you can adjust the strength of your blur. Let's keep it very low. I'll keep it at 0. Then head over to mask. Select add new mask. Now if you want to learn more about masks, I have a whole video dedicated just to them. But for pixelating, you can just learn the basics, which I will teach you now. By dragging your mask, put it over her face, and by holding these points here, you can make it smaller so it fits better. When you're happy with the position, make sure your timeline is set to the start of the video. Make the position that you're happy with, and then when you're happy with it, add a new keyframe by pressing this diamond right here. And now, by dragging your timeline a little bit, move your mask around so it fits your face better. And if we play our video from the start, as you can see, her face is completely pixelated out. Now, this doesn't only work on faces, this works on objects, texts, credit cards, and whatever you might need to pixelate in a video. If you found this video useful, subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Check the description below for the links of all my socials, and if you have any questions or future video requests, leave them down in the comments below.